So it goes without saying that we would definitely take the bike, the ATV, off the pallet that it came on, because as you could see here, the pallet is all broken up. So we got a nice pallet and put it on it. And as you can see here as well, one of my guys is going to strap it up. So we're going to push this plastic strap underneath the pallet, coming back over the top, and we're going to completely strap the frame that the ATV is in. We're going to strap it onto this new pallet, after which we're going to take the surrounding cardboard, we're going to put back on it. We're going to run tape all over the cardboard, then shrink wrap around it. At the same time, we're going to leave the top partially open, making it easy for customs to get into it. So we're going to go ahead and push the strap under the bottom here and come over the top. So as you can see here, we have already strapped it. You could see the two straps going down underneath the pallet. And we've, put the cardboard back on, tape it in some areas. As you notice, the flap, we lightly tape it, so we're making it easy for customs to pitch it open and get in there and do their inspection, an inspection of the VIN number, etc. This is how we treat our customer package with the utmost care.